This is Jason Deanhart with Global Time Attack. We're here for the 9th annual Time Attack competition at Road Atlanta. July 3rd and 4th, it's a little bit different. We're normally here Mother's Day weekend as a part of the Drift Atlanta event with Formula D. Unfortunately, due to current circumstances with COVID-19 and spectator restrictions and whatnot, we're here July 3rd and 4th. It's hot, it's humid, but they're out there time attacking, and that's what's cool. I really wanted to thank the Road Atlanta staff and Road Atlanta for allowing us to still hold this Global Time Attack competition here. Being in the 9th year, I definitely didn't want to skip a year if possible, so wanted to thank them for making it possible. Also want to thank the Global Time Attack staff for coming out and doing this still, and of course all of the Time Attack drivers and Time Attack wives, Time Attack husbands, families, kids. Want to thank you guys for spending the 4th of July with us. Global Time Attack, happy 4th of July.
This is Jackie Ding, driving the A90 Supra by PhD Racing and AMS Performance. Having a great weekend out here. 127.9 fastest in street class, new street record overall. Loving it. Love this track. Road Atlanta has always been one of my favorite. Just so much fun. Every time we come back, this is actually the fastest time I've ever done around Road Atlanta. It's beating my Formula 4 US qualifying time of 28.5. So with the street car that's on 200 trailwear tires. So that's something. I'm pretty happy with that.
There's a seat here alongside me.
My name is Brandon Luthi. I'm here at Road Atlanta Global Time Attack. I'm with my 2013 Volkswagen Golf R, running an enthusiast class, currently sitting in P4. This is my first year, and what an event. Absolutely fantastic. We missed Formula Drift, but Global Time Attack has done it right.
Get down with the sickness.
So we are out here with our Camaro SS 1 Elite. Today's been an absolutely fantastic day. We beat our personal best, dropped from a 140 all the way down to a 138, and we still have some time to shave off. So again, if you guys haven't been to one of these events, you're not going to regret it. Go ahead and sign up for GTA.
Hi, this is Phil Grabo with Element Tuning, and we are in our Monster 86. This is a V8 swapped FRS, twin turbo, pair of 66mm turbochargers. On a good day, it's making about 950 wheel horsepower.
Looking at my own reflection, when suddenly it changes, violently it changes. Oh no, there is no turning back now. You've woken up the demon in me.
Hello everyone, my name is Amir Bentatu, and I am here at Global Time Attack Road Atlanta with the RS Future Koyorad NSX. So this is my street class NSX. We're doing pretty well today. We're in second place with one session to go with a 29.1. It's my first time out here. My goal was to go sub 30, and we did it, so I'm really happy. I am loving this track. Awesome event per usual with Global Time Attack, having a great time. Hopefully dip into the 28s next session, fingers crossed. But really enjoying this and hoping to come back next year and finish the season with Global Time Attack as well.
Hey, this is Devin from Divine Force Racing and IAG Performance. Today I'm out here with my new car, and I mean new because we have a new livery. Here we are, we're gonna like dust off the cobwebs for me and the car. It's been a while since I've been on the track, and this will be learning a new setup for me, so we'll be taking it easy today. Tomorrow we'll be trying to go for time. Today will all be about relearning my baby. Oh, wow.
I just did a 130.9. That is my personal best on my second season at Global Time Attack here at Road Atlanta. So the car felt super good, super strong. You know what? These AO52s Yokohama tires are amazing. It performed. You just got to trust the car, trust the track, and then trust the guys that are out there doing a great job. So again, Global Time Attack brought it back to Road Atlanta in this pandemic. I'm glad we had fun. And I'm just looking forward for that podium.
These guys are amateurs. It should be open by now.
Okay, enough. Yeah. I know, I'm the star.
This is your podium, my guys.
Do I have to hold it? Oh, no, I mean the record button. Oh no, it's recording. It's recording this whole time. There's
you guys out there that couldn't come because there's no spectators, sucks for you, but please come next year.